Hello guys, nandito ako ulit ngayon sa loob ng bago naming project which is yung Villis at the Island Park. Ayun, kung makikita nyo sa likod ko, so yung road access na po yan is diretso po yan ng Villar City. So imagine niyo kung meron kayong property dito sa Island Park. By the way, yung Island Park pala is may development na. Dito sa loob, may malapit tayong school which is yung St. Paul. Tapos meron tayong events area sa may Mango Grove po yung bago naming project. Yan po yung ino-offer namin na lot only sa Villis at the Island. So meron din naman tayo ditong house and lot, pero kung prefer niyo yung lot only, so dyan po. Meron tayo dito from 120 to 300 square meter. Po again, yan yung magiging road access connecting from Island Park to Villar City. So very accessible siya and convenient at the same time. Yan po yung development dito sa loob ng Island Park. So may mga bahay na po siyang nakatayo. So by the way, yung Island Park is accessible or pwedeng ma-access via Paliparan Road or Governor's Drive. Malapit lang din tayo sa SM Dasmariñas at saka Robinson. And mga 5 to 10 minutes away lang tayo sa Villar City, which is yung 10 times na future BGC dito sa Cavite. Yun, if you have questions or gusto nyo site tripping or online presentation via Zoom, you may contact me. Thank you po.